Hello everyone, welcome back to online web tutorials. What are variables? A variable is like a labeled container that stores data. For example, in this image, a container has the name num and stores the value 42. A variable is stored in the memory of a computer. In memory, some areas are reserved and these areas are called memory locations. In each memory location, we can store data. For example, if I store the value 14 in a location named x, then x is the variable name. It's similar to how a house has an address. The variable name is like the house address, and the value, such as the number of people living in the house, is the data. What is dynamically typed in JavaScript? JavaScript is a dynamically typed language, which means that you don't have to specify the data type of a variable when you declare it. The data type of a variable is determined by the value that is assigned to it. For example, create a variable x assign value number 10. Then assign value hello string. If I print it by using console.log, then the output is hello. Data type of variable is changed from number to string at runtime. We will discuss in detail about data types in later tutorials. Press the up arrow key to get the previous code in the console. Now I am removing string and assigning array to this variable. Output is array. How to declare variable? Creating a variable in JavaScript is called declaring a variable. Before you use a variable in a JavaScript program, you must declare it. In JavaScript, you can declare the variables in three ways. Using var keywords, using let keywords, using const keywords. For example, vaname, it is a way to declare variables. It is considered good programming practice to always declare variables before use. After the declaration, the variable has no value. In this example, I try to print name variable. I will get undefined means no value. To assign a value to the variable, use the equal sign. All JavaScript variables must have unique names, and these names are called identifiers. Identifier is used to store a value. This value assigned to it is called a literal. For example, here x and y are identifiers and assigned values are the literals. Variable naming rules. Variable names can only contain letters, digits, underscores, and dollar signs. Variable names are case sensitive. Names can also begin with dollar and underscore. For example, we can declare like this. Variable names cannot start with a digit. Reserved words in JavaScript, let, const, etc. keywords cannot be used as names. For example, if I try to declare, let 6 with x equal to high, we will get error. And if I try, let var equal to value, we will get error. It is also a good practice to use descriptive and meaningful names for your variables, as this makes your code easier to read and understand. We will explore the differences between var, const, and let. In the next tutorial, we will set up Visual Studio and write code in the code editor.